Hey everybody, this is Chris with Keen Observations. I just wanted to do a video on my foster brother's Cleaver. It's the model 2190. I believe it was made around the 1950s. I could be wrong. Don't quote me on that. But I got a fella named Brown to make the sheath for me after I put new scales on it. This thing was beat up. I'm gonna insert some photos in the video to show you what it looked like beforehand. I think I paid like 30 bucks for the knife. But let's open this up and let everybody see what we got going on here. I don't want to cut myself. So that's the beastie right there. And I didn't go crazy on cleaning up the patina off of the blade itself. I did clean this up. This I smoothed off all the bang marks where someone just beat the hell out of it with a hammer, I'm guessing. It had like dimples all along here, the whole back of it, even all along through here. And so I put micarta. They're black micarta scales, and I used Corby bolts, and actually they turned out really nice. They polished up beautifully, almost the exact same grip for the original wooden handles, maybe a touch wider. And then I left a bit of a pommel on here. I still got a little bit of epoxy to clean off of here. That's the only flaw that I think I really need to worry about on that. But other than that, the edge turned out really nice. The patina, I think I'm gonna leave it the way it is, because then I don't have to worry about polishing it out again if I bump it or something. But I got this sheath done by David Brown, by Brown Industries. And it's like a pancake style, and I had it covered in leather. He does this, he does some custom work. I had to send him the Cleaver. And the only reason why I got that done is because he also did this for me. He commissioned this one after I loved this one that I received. This one is my Busse, Jesus, what is the name of this thing? Nuclear meltdown, something or other. And this one turned out really nice as well. I love the canvas covering. As you see, he marks his stuff by Brown. And I opted for the logo, the lettering from Busse. And it's just turned out really well. It's actually beautiful. Piece of art. This guy does amazing work. Only thing I recommend is when you get it, when you're satisfied with where everything's at, is to use some Loctite on the hardware. It will fall off if you don't, especially if you start walking around quite a bit. But this is a great option if you have a piece of equipment such as this that you want to sheath up in something that is worthy of becoming an heirloom for your children. I'm definitely not getting rid of this. But again, I said I'm gonna insert some photos of what this looked like beforehand. It was an ugly dog shit thing. I don't even know what to call it. But I own a few of these now, and I'm going to do some more. Anyway, hope you guys like this, and I'm going to make more like this in the future. I have a small collection of Para 3s by Spyderco that I'll probably roll out in a little bit, maybe a couple weeks from now. And you guys can see my favorite style of knife, which this is one of them. This is an Rex 45. Has a lynch clip on it and a dog hair. Isn't that lovely? No, actually, that's from my pants. So, anyway, some of the things I love in life right here. You guys have a good one. Thank you.